Hello friends, I welcome you all to this new video. Today I am going to talk on Viscera 3 reviews. Well guys, this video will help you know whether this product Viscera is a legit one or a scam. If you haven't purchased this product yet, this unbiased review of mine will definitely help you decide the answer to your question, should I buy this product or not? Friends, if you have experienced any fraud over this product, watch our video till end as I am going to share a way to get your money back. But before sharing the way, let's find out the essential details of the product. We will tell you what this product Viscera exactly is. Well guys, this product is a clinically tested and proven product which help you from lot of problems. Guys, this product will end your digestion problems and help you poop out your fat. If you are facing problems like if you are suffering from any of the symptom related to gut nutrient deficiency, this product is for you. If there is an inability to lose the deadly visceral fat, second, if there is any digestion breaking leaky gut, or you are facing from continuously diarrhea, constipation and painful gas and bloating, this product is for you. Sane is also endorsed by top doctors including all the universities which are mentioned here. Well guys, I will talk about the specifications, benefits and the legitimacy checkpoints of the product. But before that, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel as it will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for your assistance. Moving further guys, as we all know that healthy poop is very important for weight loss and removing all the lasting diseases from our body. So guys, here is the patent product which will help you fight against all these problems. Here you can see this is the picture of the product. It's Viscera 3. It's a postbiotic clinical research formulation. Guys, this product is a secret to your perfect poops. After years of research, scientists have combined 3 butyrate molecules with the glycerol molecule to create a radically more effective version of this optimal short chain fatty acid. This superior form of tributyrate is time released directly into your lower colon. Guys, this is the reason that the main active ingredient in this new formula Viscera 3, it is 3 times more potent than a weak short chain fatty acids created by fiber alone. So this product is better than fiber and any other health supplements. You can end your poop problems for good and enjoy 36-hour belly flattening, zero bloating and perfect daily poops with this product. Moving further guys, if I talk about the online presence, so guys, the website Sane Solution which is selling this product is around 16 years old. Also, it is actively present on social media selling all the products apart from this Viscera 3. There are a lot of customer reviews which I found on social media sites which says that the product is highly effective for them. It ends their inflammation problem and other problem which is not ended by any probiotic supplements. Guys, you need not to waste now your money on fibers and probiotic supplements. Instead of that, all you need is this revolutionary and clinically tested butyrate product. Guys, this is a 100% legit product and I will give this product a thumbs up. You can buy this product from the official website only. I hope you have liked this video. Well guys, if you are looking for the money back option, all you have to do is visit the link which is given in our description box. View the link properly friends. Also please comment your thoughts over the video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Be safe, be informed. Thank you.